the people who do not want this election because they have other agenda for Anambra are the people causing this crisis. They have no capacity to stop this election because INEC is determined to organize the election. But the other issue is that are people determined to come out? And that's where the stakeholders come in. It's not enough to issue a joint press release between traditional rulers and the bishops. They need to call out people, come out and vote. IPOB, renounce, because IPOB actually is not doing good work now in the Southeast. They are creating opportunity, amplifying the voice of the enemy. They are creating opportunity for the unknown and known government to be killing people. And they think they are winning. What are they exactly winning? On the 17th of March, Obiano's tenure will expire. And Obiano cannot stay a day longer than that. So if they now bring another person that will not work in your favor, what have you achieved?
Okay, let me comment.
And also, what they wanted is fear. And they are losing, and they are losing that battle because there was fear actually. When we went to Oka on the 5th, 4th, 5th, and 6th, we left on the 6th. They was, how did you come? Even the people there, we called them, they said, no, they can't come out on God. They are not afraid of IPOB. They are afraid of unknown government, which parade themselves with their new heroes and their AK-47. They drive in the streets and everywhere, in the express. So, and if IPOB is doing the service for this election for Southeast, because if this current government of President Buhari bring another Imo person to be in Anambra.
What do you mean by Imo person? Can you really?
The governor of Imo, that since he came, they have killed so many Igbo youths in Imo State.
Are you attesting to it that he sort of has influenced the rise in the crisis?
Actually, he created it in Imo State because we don't know Imo State to have crisis before. The current governor, Hope Uzodinma, there was a day I appeared here. He sent somebody to call me that I don't know the whole story. In January, he brought, and Igbos have lost over 300 youths. There are between 14 and 15. They just pick them in Ngokpara and Mbise and just go and waste them.
Okay,
and their bodies are in the Federal Medical Federal Medical Center. What I am saying now that IPOB, I am actually directing my call to IPOB. They have to renounce their call for sit at home on Friday and Saturday, because they are not doing Igbos any good, and they are not doing themselves any good. If you bring another Hope Uzodinma to Anambra, Igbo land is finished.
All right, let me come in here because I think you're just leveraging on what Chief Dan Olasi said about, IPOB calling off the sit at home. But interesting that you would, attest to it that the vote in Anambra never truly counted until recently, meaning that, the process of election